From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm student meteorologist James Wendolek here with your Campus Weather Service Thursday morning forecast. Taking a look at our live cam this morning, you see that we have a beautiful sunrise over Beaver Stadium with temperatures situated currently in the upper 30s at 37 degrees and winds right now coming out of the west at 5 miles an hour with perfect visibility. Now the feel-like temperature comes in at 34, so it's a bit chilly this morning, so make sure you throw on a jacket as you head out the door to class. Looking at temperatures across the region right now, there is that 37-degree mark in State College, colder up in Williamsport to the north and east, while warmer down to the south and west in Johnstown at 40 degrees. And zooming out to take a look at the rest of the state, Pittsburgh comes in at 42 this morning, Erie and Bradford up to the north and west, colder this morning with Bradford at 26 and Erie at 32. And Philadelphia down the southeastern side of the state comes in at 47. Looking at the current satellite and radar, you see nothing really happening this morning by the ways of precipitation. Just a few clouds coming in from the south and west, but over in Ohio, you do see that we have some precipitation there that will be making its way to us later on in the evening. And as we zoom out, you can see this entire system out currently affecting St. Louis, Memphis, and Wichita that is going to march its way east into the overnight period and affect us today and tomorrow. Looking ahead at future temperatures, this afternoon around 4:30 p.m. as you're coming home from work, State College at around 54 degrees, Erie, the cold spot on the map, at 40, Franklin at 52, and the entire southern half of the state over 55 degrees with Philadelphia at 59. And going further into tomorrow morning as you're heading out the door for work, State College at 39, Williamsport at 36, Scranton at 35, and Pittsburgh at 50 degrees. Going through the day on Friday into the afternoon, you see that we have a big drop-off in temperatures from today's afternoon to tomorrow afternoon. Only 43 in State College tomorrow afternoon. Pittsburgh still comes at 53. Erie also at 53, while Philadelphia only at 48. And going through Friday evening into the early part of Saturday morning, you see that temperatures drop into the lower 40s. Taking a look at the future satellite and radar, this evening around dinner time, 7 p.m., a few clouds beginning to move in from the west and a couple showers scattered around the center part of the state. But then as we move overnight, 5 a.m., you see this rain really start to ramp up here in central Pennsylvania. And even looking at the north and east towards Williamsport, we have some mixed precipitation, even some snow up there with the colder temperatures that we're going to have overnight. As we move through the day into tomorrow afternoon around lunchtime, you see that we do have a break in the action around lunchtime tomorrow. This is around 1 o'clock. Still have some rain down to the south, but we do have this break in the action here in central Pennsylvania. And as we work through the day tomorrow into tomorrow evening, that rain comes back for a second round, and we do have some heavier areas of precipitation this time. As you can see, these yellow and oranges on the map down by Philadelphia, and even some darker greens up here by State College that indicate some heavier pockets of rainfall. And moving through the night on Friday and into Saturday, by the time we get to Saturday morning at around 10:30, no more precipitation, just some clouds left over from this storm system. Then as we move through Saturday night, we begin to clear out before some clouds begin to build back in on Sunday associated with our next system that could affect the region on Monday. And now looking at the rainfall totals for the storm system, tomorrow night we're going to have about 0.38 inches of rain here in State College, more to our west with 0.58 in Johnstown and just over ½ an inch in Pittsburgh. And then as we move through the night on Friday, we're going to pick up a couple more tenths of rainfall with State College finishing off with this storm system at 0.55 inches of rain, Erie only at around 0.2 inches, and Philadelphia at around 0.37. Then as we move through the day on Sunday and into Monday, here comes that next batch of rain, which could push us over an inch of rain over the next few days. Now, looking ahead to your forecast for today, we will see mostly cloudy skies with a high temperature of 55, and winds are going to be coming out of the northwest at around 5 miles per hour. Looking ahead to tonight, The low temperature tonight, 36 degrees, as those showers begin to move in associated with our storm system coming from the west, and winds will be coming from the east at 3 to 5 miles per hour. And for the day tomorrow, we will see rain for a majority of the day, a high temperature of only 45, slightly below average for this time of year, with winds coming out of the southeast at 7 to 10 miles per hour. And looking ahead at the next week at our 7-day forecast, on Friday and Saturday, here is that rain associated with the system that's going to affect us tomorrow. Warmer as we move into the weekend, temperatures get back up into the 60s. And as we head into next week, here's our next chance of rain on Monday and Tuesday, but temperatures will be much milder, coming in at 67 on Tuesday before a slight drop off next Wednesday. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm James Wendolek. Have a nice day.